Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to contact Shein customer service. So in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in www.shein.com. Hit enter and it is going to show you this page. So on this page, you'll have to log in using your user credentials. After logging in, you'll be on this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the Me icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now when you click on Me, it is going to show you this page. Now on this page, you'll have to click on this icon, that is the headset-like icon at the top right of the screen, and it is going to show you another page. So this is customer service page where you can click on the customer service button. When you click on customer service, it will instantly open the live chat from the Shein bot. So this is Shein bot. You can easily ask any question to solve your query. For example, gives you these options. So you can type and explain your problem here in this section. Now, this bot will answer all your questions. But if you want to contact a Shein customer support, what you'll have to do is just keep typing in, I want to connect to a live agent. Click enter. Now it will again show up these options. You'll have to just keep typing in, I want to contact a live agent. Click on this button again and this will send this message. Now it will again show up some options. We'll have to just click on submit a ticket. So if you type 2 times or more than 2 times, I want to connect to a live agent, it will show up this submit a ticket page at the bottom where an agent will provide you with a solution within 24 hours. So click on submit a ticket button here and choose please select your question type. Now, choose your question type here. For example, if you are having a problem with payment method, choose payment method. Now, describe your problem in this section and you can also upload a screenshot of your problem or an image. Then click on submit button. After you click on submit, the ticket will be submitted to the Shein customer support where they will analyze it and contact you back. So, this is the simple way through which you can contact Shein customer support. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.